Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So I am just gonna get right into it with this wash and go. So I'm gonna part my hair in 3 sections. Eventually I'm gonna go into 4, but mostly I go into 3 so that I can just part the hair in the back. I already did the back of my hair because this video would have been extremely long if I would have filmed the entire thing. But this is my hair, deep conditioned, kind of air dried. It's still a little damp, so I'm gonna take my bottled water. Well, this is like a spray bottle of water, nothing else in it, and I'm just gonna redamp the hair. Then I'm gonna start taking little small, about 1.5 inch sections, and this is when I'm gonna distribute my product. I typically like to add my product in section by section just to make sure that each and every curl and hair strand is thoroughly saturated with product and making sure that it is hydrated and ready to receive product. So I'm taking this brush here. I have a Denman brush, but I usually use that, but I really like how that detangled my curls. Then as you see, this is the Cream of Nature leave-in. I have really been loving this on my hair. It leaves my hair really soft. It doesn't weigh my hair down. So I'm just really gonna fully saturate that in my hair. As you can see, it's a little juicy. You know what I'm saying? But no, I love distributing my product in my hair while it's extremely like soaking wet. My hair just works better, which is why I started using the Lotta Body mousse. It has like shea butter oils and it has like coconut oils and all that kind of stuff all in this mousse, and it just really defines my curls, but it doesn't make my hair extremely heavy. Then I have a combination of oils that I mixed up. I'm gonna make sure that I list them all on here for you guys, but I'm gonna really rub them on my scalp, and then I'm really gonna like just kind of massage it in and massage it into my hair strands. Oil seals moisture. Make sure when you do add your oils, you add it after all of your moisturizing products. And that's when I usually go in with my Miss Jessie's gel, that you're gonna see that in a quick second. But that's when I use the Jelly Soft Curls. Yes, that right there. This gel, this is a new product that I've been trying, but dude, oh my god, this gel has literally been everything. It defines my curls, but it doesn't make my hair hard and crunchy, and it still allows my hair to have a little bit of a bounce to it. I love a bounce to my hair when it's straightened, and I love a bounce to my hair when it's curly as well. I know I'm still in my transitional phase. My hair is still growing, but I still want a little bounce too. And that gel does this. So if you're going to be paying attention to my technique, I'm really just making sure that I'm running my fingers through every hair strand, and then I'm going to follow the curl pattern of whether the curl goes left or right, and I'm just going to give it a slight little twist and a pull, and that's just going to define my curls. Shrinkage is real, you guys. Like seriously, shrinkage is real, but I'd risk it all to have super defined curls. And I'm just really going to repeat the process. Don't really have to explain too much here, but just go ahead and keep watching exact technique that I'm doing. Okay, so here is where I wanted to show you guys how I blow dry the hair. No judgment zone on my duct tape because this is an old faithful, okay? But notice how my hair is blow drying. There's no frizz that's being created. My hair still moves. It's still pretty bouncy. It's not crunchy, and it's still very soft, and there's like no frizz. Typically when I do my other techniques that I've tried with my wash and goes to define my curls, they just make my hair so frizzy when I blow dry it, and this does not. So here's my hair dry. I am just kind of doing my baby hairs here. It's nighttime, so I'm not going to pick out my hair. However, in the morning I will pick it out, and then that's when you have the luscious like volume. If you want, you can keep it just like this, or if not, you can completely just fluff it out. I mean, whatever floats your boat. And this is the final result, you guys. Look at how defined my curls are. Look at how movable and bouncy they are. Don't mind, some of the hair is still drying. My hair is about 75% dry, so the curls are locked in, but it's still certain parts at the root that are still pretty damp. And that is all, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.